Hello everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to retrieve an element attribute in Selenium. In this tutorial, I will explain how to get the attributes of a web element. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the handling radio buttons and verify whether this radio button is selected or not, and then print the Boolean value which is true or false in a console. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name, get attributes, and then click on Python file. Next thing here we need to do, we need to initialize the WebDriver here. So copy this and paste here. Now navigate to the URL in which we want to retrieve the attribute value. Enter URL here. Here you can view in this form multiple fields and radio button as well checkboxes are available. If right click on this and then click on inspect, here multiple attributes are available. This is the radio button, and this is input type is equal to radio, and the second attribute value is equal to mail. Same for checkboxes. Right click on this inspector. Here input type, this is the first attribute type equal to checkbox, and the second attribute value is equal to cricket. So I will show you how you can retrieve this value, this attribute value which is checkbox, and the second value is equal to cricket. So copy this URL. First navigate to this URL, driver.get, enter the variable name here URL. Now first locate the element is equal to driver.find element. Right click on this radio button, inspect. Here name better are available. We can locate this element by name. Name value is radio options. Copy this value and use here driver.find element by name, and then enter the value. Here radio options. In this scenario, we want to get the attribute value, so use get attribute and then enter the attribute. Here you can use this type, so radio value will be printed in a console, and then print this attribute value in a console. Let's add some weight here, time.slip, after navigating to this URL, and then after getting the attribute value, add some weight here, time.slip 3 seconds. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds. After wait 3 seconds, it will locate to this element by using name and get the attribute value, and then print in a console attribute value. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL and get the attribute value for this radio button, which is radio. Same as well here the second attribute. If I copy this value and enter, now in this scenario the attribute value is mail. Let's run this script. First navigate to this URL and get the attribute by value of this radio button. Here you can view mail value has been printed in a console. Same for checkboxes. We can get the attribute value. You copy this type. Here we need to change also the locator value. Here we can locate this element by ID. Copy this ID, which is checkbox 1, and change it here. Same as well. Here we need to change by dot name to by ID, and then copy this type or value. Suppose I want to get the attribute value by using this value. So same as well here value. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then get the attribute value by using value for checkbox. Here you can view the correct value for this attribute radio button has been printed in a console. That is for today's tutorial on retrieving element in a Selenium. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your test automation journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more automation tips and tutorials. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.